show, and so there's going to be 4 puppets. There's going to be a dog, a cat, a stick, and a tractor. And so it's going to be, at the end is going to be a little funny, but the end is going to have some funny parts. That you probably don't think what happened, but I'm going to start in a minute. I'm going to start in a minute, okay? So I'm starting just a second. Just getting my... Once there was a dog who went ruff ruff. Once there was a cat who went meow. They were friends and they liked to kiss each other. And so they were very friendly, and so they always wanted to be together, and the dog always liked this ginormous stick, and he always and it was so big. It was like not a really stick even. It was like a tree, but it was not. It was thick enough for the dog to eat. So every day he would go out there and eat the stick from 11 o'clock to noon. So he only ate tiny bits in 1 hour, but because it was so hard to chew, there's a ginormous stick, but it's even bigger. We have that ginormous stick, but this one is way bigger because it has lots of tiny branches. So now it's but one day he chewed it, and then he noticed at the end it kind of looked like a cactus, but it wasn't. He was eating it, and he went, ow, 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 and he ran away back in the house because he thought it was a cactus. And so now, and the cat is saying, what happened? And the dog said, there's a cactus outside, and I bit it, and my throat got hurt. But that wasn't really real. He was just pretending it was. So once they saw a tractor, and they wanted to ride it. There was nobody in, so they both jumped in the tractor, and they had a ride all around, and they said, this is so fun, let's do it every day now in the morning. And so the end.
Very good story, Jack. Thank you.
That was